Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by getting both devices ready. Put the watch on, charge above 50% and wake the screen. Open the Noise app on your phone and grant location/GPS permission. This links satellites to the watch. Once done, make sure Bluetooth is connected and the phone's location mode is high accuracy. If permission isn't visible, restart phone and watch, then open the app again. This forces the pair and initial GPS handshake to begin. You now start the GPS activity on the watch. Tap the activity labeled Outdoor Run or Hike that shows the GPS icon. Hold still and watch for 3 or more bars or a fixed GPS indicator. That confirms satellite lock. Make sure battery saver is off because it can disable GPS. Keep the paired phone within range for assisted GPS, which speeds fixed time. If stars or dots spin, wait up to 60 seconds before moving to you're wrapping up. End the activity on the watch, save it, and allow automatic sync to the Noise app so the route and stats upload. Check the map and pace graph for gaps or jumps that signal poor GPS lock. If data looks wrong, toggle location on the phone, clear Noise app cache, and repair the watch. These steps reset GPS assistance. As a quick tip, move to an open area and require satellites before repeating the activity to avoid repeating errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.